Off to the final touches of your button placket. The beauty of this easy summer skirt, you are securing the folded edges simply by adding the buttonholes and buttons. However, for a longer lasting skirt, we use interfacing between the two layers for each buttonhole to make them stronger. Simply mark the position, iron on, and sew your buttonhole. What we also like to do, we pull through the upper thread to the wrong side and knot both machine threads for a longer lasting effect. Add the buttons on the other side of the skirt corresponding to your buttonhole placements. We do the same thing when sewing on the buttons. In our example, the selvage is used as a clean edge, so no hem is necessary. Optionally, you can create a classic hem with mitered corners on your skirt. We have a separate video on mitered corners if you are interested, and it is linked in the description box below.